straight along like that. All right, now that has some actual real potential, I would say. It's going to come to about right there. If we can cut it there. The problem is going to be way back here. And this is going to basically put us in the same spot. Alright, so the only way I can make it work, because I can't bend 4-inch pipe and nobody else in town can. So I shortened this up and I'm gonna put this together like this. It's not quite a 90, so it's like super tight, so it's not gonna be that hot of a corner, you know? And then if I do that, I can take this 90, I think, and shorten this piece up so where it's pretty short, like that, where I can, then I can still use this slip joint with a clamp, so if I ever have to take the starter off, I don't have to cut my exhaust system apart. Do you think that's too many turns in a close radius to make it run hot? The exhaust run hot?
That I could not tell you. Yeah. So you're kind of just stuck and see what happens.
Yep.
See what happens.
Because I got these 45s, but the way that you can't turn them, they don't work. You can't put one on there and then turn the other one the opposite way, because it's got to be basically a straight pipe through the frame.
I would do it, and I mean, and just see what goes on.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
That's about all you can do.
Yeah, I know. I think we're screwed. Oh, we might be okay. Might have some. There's a spark. Okay. wrong direction. Isn't it?
Again. That's not gonna work.
All right, this is the winning combination. What if I cut more of that bend off? Oh, clear, right? All right, so what we've been doing for the last 2 hours or so is, this is a diamond eye 4-inch downpipe that doesn't look anything like it did when I bought it. Basically, I used this part right here. I cut an angle out of it for this part, and then I had a 90 that I bought from Summit. There was just some 4-inch mandrel bent pipe that we did this out of, and so now it sits on the turbo. It's got a nice smooth flow, smooth as it's gonna have down out. We had to cut the angle off this a little bit so that we could clear the starter. Probably have to use some encouragement with the hammer and maybe bash this back a little bit. We're gonna probably either use a 45 and drop out to go to the rest of the just factory F-350 exhaust that's been straight piped, or a 90 or something. We'll figure that out. But basically now we're not blowing 700+ degree exhaust right on top of the starter. Obviously you can see we still have some gaps and everything like that. We're out of welding gas, so we just have these tacked without gas, so they're really crappy. And they're already starting to rust a little bit. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up tomorrow. And I'll come in here and weld it all nice and tight. And then we'll put it on the truck, finish out the exhaust, and then we'll be able to drive it without going deaf.